Hello everyone, thank you all for being here today. My name is Leeto, and I'm the product manager for Microscope in Bondent Group. Today is a great pleasure to be with you for this exciting portion. Say it as it is. At Bondent, we are passionate about developing innovative products alongside advanced technology to help dentist professions see the patients better. And in order to do this, it is important for the dentist to see the option fields clearly in the truest manner possible. The dental microscope opens up a new world to dentists, allowing them to view structure that could not be seen without. We are a professional manufacturer of microscopes, among many other products. During the last 7 years or so, our microscope has received the internationally recognizable CE certificates and FDA approvals, and our factory is also ISO certified. Let's hear it from our customers.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I want to tell you about the benefits of using a microscope in your daily practice. Using a microscope provides a large working distance and keep you away from the patient's oral infection. The microscope gives you the right ergonomics, that is, the situation around the patient. It allows you to work at a distance from the patient, approximately working distance 40 centimeters. We all understand that dentistry is a practice when patients with CERV infection come to us. You can also find an uncovered root canal. You can show the patient where he is not to some extent finished cleaning and do not follow your recommendations on home manipulation hygiene. Plus, you can clearly control the fit quality of orthopedic structures. These can be ceramic inserts, veneers, or crowns. The microscope, when used in daily clinical practice, will not only improve the quality of treatment and increase, but it also increases cost of services, because you will be able to enter additional price items in the price list. You can start doing service you haven't done before. Also microsurgery, the treatment of primary caries. For example, repeat endodontics. This is the search for missing root canals and healing tools that were broken in the root canals. Your clinic's microscope can boost its status and increase competitiveness in the dental service market.
Olá, meu nome é Dernival Júnior, endodontista e professor Bondent América Latina. A tecnologia e a endodontia estão intimamente ligados. A procura por bons produtos para o dia a dia clínico sempre foi uma necessidade do endodontista. Em especial, o microscópio operatório, que com certeza foi um divisor de águas em minha carreira. A qualidade de construção, bem como a ergonomia que o produto oferece, fez com que eu chegasse num próximo nível dentro do meu tratamento endodôntico. Eu estou muito feliz de poder fazer parte da equipe Bondent e poder ensinar sobre todas as possibilidades que a marca oferece. Eu desejo a todos muito sucesso e espero vocês no evento Bondent Old Name, New Mission.
We operated using an operating microscope for the first time and after that, we began to actively introduce it into our practice and noticed a significant improvement in the quality of our procedures performed. Having an operating microscope in your clinic is already a competitive advantage. Therefore, I sincerely hope that the use of operating microscope will become a standard practice of surgical dentistry, as this has happened in other medical fields.
Today, I'm thrilled to share with you our latest breakthrough product, the G4 Pro microscope. We have worked incredibly hard to bring you something truly special, and I can't wait to tell you about it. So let's get started. The G4 Pro is built to meet demanding surgical requirements, especially the new mechanical design and excellent optical quality. The G4 Pro features a simple, refined design carefully laid out to the liking of the dentist, with each button strategically located. This high performance and meticulously engineered unit refine the precision, flexibility, efficiency, and user-friendliness to provide the best possible optic experience during operation. The G4 Pro is equipped with a 3-joint electric magnetic lock that allows the hand of the microscope to move smoothly and easily. The magnetic brakes provide an easy and precise positioning of the microscope. If you want to move the microscope or adjust the angle of the lens, just press the button to release those hand brakes, and you can bring the microscope to the position you desire. The buttons can be operated on either handle. Depending on your preference, these provide extremely convenience for all operators. Next, we talk about the electric zoom function. Unlike other microscopes of which focusing requires manual rotation of the focusing knob, the G4 Pro allows you to press the focus level on the handle up or down, stopping when it reaches the focus plane. A clear image would then appear right before your eyes. This makes focusing more accurate and more efficiency. Moreover, it is also equipped with a one-key autofocus function. This means you don't even have to adjust the electric focus level. Just press autofocus knob and it will be automatically focused, giving you a sharp image instantaneously. Top of that, the zoom range of the G4 Pro objective lens is also larger, 200 to 550 millimeters. In fact, it is the largest zoom range of any brand by far. A large zoom range allows for more space to operate and more comfortable sitting position. The large operating space also suits more treatment scenarios. Meanwhile, this allows dentists of the different statures to have a comfortable and economic sitting position, thereby eliminating occupational hazards such as back and neck pain. Then, here is the handle. The G4 Pro features a multifunction controller with all the buttons integrated into one, and we have left no stones unturned to present the operators with nothing but the best. For starters, the raw material for the buttons and handle are German-made and has been carefully selected and crafted for lifelong usage. The logic behind the layout of these keys was determined through continued research and endless communication with practicing clinicians who availably suggested to us the frequencies of usage of the various functions and also the everyday habits of the dentist. For example, the top left is a light switch which enables the operator to quickly turn the light on and off. Depending on the patient's posture, at the upper right, we found the button for pictures taking and videos recording. A short press take pictures and a long press record the video. This center button is a one-click autofocus function. The button 2 levels, not knobs. On the left is the knob for the brightness adjustment, dial up to increase, down to reduce. And the right level is the electric focus level. With this, you can control all the functions at your fingertips. In terms of the optic quality, we have once again excelled ourselves. In addition to the usage of German optical lenses, we have also improved the processing of the lenses. The optic path was redesigned, making optic image even sharp. It can enhance the light collecting capability in the working distance, thereby improving the resolution and image sharpness. We have also take into consideration that a microscope would be used by dentists in different disciplines, and this is where the augmented visualization of the G4 Pro comes in. The G4 Pro allows the restorative dentist to use during oral examination for detection of caries, which will appear red. It helps you identify caries margins and helps you to conservative clarity perhaps with the precise curved surfaces. The ability to differentiate tooth color, filling material with actual tooth structure makes your finishing and polishing easier. All of this reduces your chair time considerably. And the G4 Pro also comes with the stamped orange and green filters. The former to prevent the premature setting of the light curing resin material, and the latter for bad viewing in the presence of the blood. Continuously adjustable size of spot is also a new feature that allows you to make alternation to the spot size according to your treatment needs. Unlike many other microscopes whose familiar function is limited to 3 or 4 choices, the G4 Pro is more advanced. From the smallest spot to the largest spot, you have an infinite number of options, and you can stop at any spot size. Our microscope has always been known for their image quality. The G4 Pro continued to use the Sony's top-end sensors for real-time 4K resolution. We have also added the mouse operation function, which can achieve a lot of personalized operation of the camera. And you have now the option of controlling the camera with the foot pedal. The G4 Pro boasts an improved 4K image system. Its new camera delivers even greater brightness, rich colors, and higher contrast, making every one of your photos and videos stunning clear. That will no doubt enhance the dentist-patient communication as well as treatment planning. I hope you have enjoyed watching this segment of our Old Name, New Mission event and using the G4 Pro microscope even more. Now, back to James.